Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the prairie stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Now you're going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. These 2 chains count as a half double crochet. We're going to immediately get into our sequence for this row, skip 1 stitch into the next one, make 2 half double crochet. Skip 1 stitch into the next one, make 2 half double crochet. Skip 1 stitch into the next one, make 2 half double crochet. So you can see this is now our sequence. You're going to be skipping 1 stitch and working 2 half double crochet stitches into the next one together. You're going to repeat this sequence until you reach the end of your row. When you get to the end of your row and you only have 1 stitch left, work 1 half double crochet by itself into that stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. For row 3, we're simply going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch across. So that's going to be 1 chain and then 1 single crochet into each stitch across for row 3. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the prairie stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.